Hi everyone, in this lecture we will learn about the insert tab. Whenever we want to insert something in our document we should use this tab. Let's start with the curve page. In case if you want to insert a curve page, you can just go and click the option curve page. Now Microsoft Word has several ready-made templates to insert your curve page. It has several designs, you can select any one of them. Now let's suppose that I want this as my cover page. I just click here and Microsoft Word will create your first page as your cover page, and it will show you the text, the ready-made text that they have given. It means it is just a sample text given by them. You can write any quote or any brief thing over here. I mean to say a brief introduction of your book, and you can write the title of the report or title of the book here, like we will write sample title. Fine. Now this was the cover page, and if you want you can just create own cover page also, but as I said, if you're using Word format that they have given, or if you're using that option cover page and then you are changing it as according to your choice, Word will create a beautiful document for you while finalizing it. We learn about the finalizing the document and how Word helps when we use the ready-made things given by the Microsoft Word. Now let's go ahead and suppose that after curve page we need one blank page. Fine. Now I have something written over here and I want blank page before this, so I'll put my cursor at the start point of the page and I'll just say blank page. Look, it has inserted a blank page here. Now several times what people does that when they want a blank page here, they just do enter and go to the next page. Now what happen is when you want to do something with this page, now please don't judge my typing from here, it is just for sample purpose. Now I've written something here, and when you go just below and see your next page, look, now as you have done enter in your previous page, the formatting or the next page, the formatting of the next page is also getting disturbed. Fine, so that's why I say that please use the automated thing given by the Word. Look, I have to put cursor here and just need to click on blank page. Now it has inserted a blank page here. Now suppose I have written several things, and now from this point onward I need my content to appear on next page. How will I do that? Now again, several people use enter thing, which is seriously not recommended. You just need to click after this full stop and say page break. Look, now your content is on the next page. Now as you have done this, if you are writing also something, it will not disturb your next page. This is the magic, or this is the usefulness of the automated options given by the Word. Now supposing that you need to insert a table, let's suppose that you want 4 square or 4 columns and 4 rows to be added in the page. Then you need to select 4 squares horizontally and 4 squares vertically and click it. Look, it has inserted a table. Fine. Whenever you do that, when you insert a table and when you click in the table, inside the table, there is one more tab that will open, which is a table tool tab. It has several other options and we'll learn that table tools option separately in our next session, but in this we'll focus on insert only. Now supposing that you need to insert a picture, you just need to click on the pictures. Just go, you need to go wherever your pictures reside. You need to browse. Let's suppose I have pictures on my desktop, and now as you can see I have pictures in my screenshot. I have some pictures in my screenshot. I'll just click on the picture I needed and say insert. Now it has inserted a picture. Look, it has inserted a picture in the document. Now again, when you insert a picture, it will open one more tag. It is picture tools, and it has several other options. This will also learn in our separate session. Now again, in insert you can even paste a picture which is available online. So it means that you need to click on the online pictures and you need to go till that picture, or need to put the URL of that picture, and Word will get that picture for you on your document. Now this is something advanced feature, and that we will learn in our next session, and we'll learn how to use it exactly. I mean, I'll create one more video just to put the online picture in the document, how to put that, and how to make sure that the picture should stay in the document even if you transfer the document from yourself to your boss or to any party. Now here in this option you'll see that it says it will insert shapes in the sense it has different shapes. It has lots many shapes like square, round, triangle, arrows, right arrows, left arrows, some freehand drawings, stars, and several other things, even smileys also. Fine, you just need to select anything you needed, just insert the shape, and if you want to edit something in it, you say add text and you'll say sample shape. That's it. Now if you want, you can change the size of the sample shape, you can increase the length, you can increase the breadth of the shape, you can do whatever you needed with the shape. Fine. Now again you'll go here and look at the smart art. Smart art is always useful while creating a family tree or creating a process or describing a process. Let's see. We say insert smart tab. Look at this. It has really very beautiful smart tabs or smart shapes here. It has list type shapes. It has processes. Like when you want to define the processes, you can select on the processes and you can select the process or the tab you needed and say OK. So when you will do that, as soon as you'll do that, you'll see the thing, the automated thing, the process. As soon as you click on the process tab, as soon as you click on your desired shape, desired smart shape, it will insert that particular shape, and now you can write something in it. Look, now your document, your sample shape is ready, your sample smart shape is ready, which describes your process. Now herein also we have, as soon as you click and insert any shape, you'll get here one other tab. You'll get here a new tab calling smart art tools. Fine. Now it has several other options for designing and formatting your smart art. You can change your color, you can change your formatting, you can change your text, you can add text pane, you can add more shapes to it, you can move right or left, you can move up or down depending on your requirement. You can format it, can format the color of the text, you can format the color of the box, whatever you want you can do. But for sure I'll create one more video for the smart art tools, and over there we'll learn about the smart art tools deeply. Now go to the next thing, chart. So here you can click on the chart and you can insert any chart that you needed, like line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, then scatter chart, stock chart, then surface, then radar, and then combo. Now believe me, most of the people uses column chart, pie chart, but we'll learn about all the chart in our next coming sessions. We'll create one another video just for creating charts and how can we create our chart and how can we format it, because as soon as you'll select something and you insert a chart, look, whenever you insert a chart, it will not only insert a chart, it will directly open an Excel file where you can fill in your details, or you can do one thing, you can create a table with the details you needed and select the particular data, and make a chart of it. Fine. Now here also can see that I have one more tab open here, which is named as chart tools, and I can use that tools to create, format, and edit my chart. Now for time being, I just told you how to insert the chart, and I'll create one more video for this also. And we have next option, which is screenshot. When you want to insert a screenshot, you need to select here, and it will ask whether you want a screen clipping. If I'll say yes, then look, here it has opened another document that is already opened, and if I want to select this much apart, I'll just select it and I'll leave it. Look, it has inserted a screenshot from my other document. So it is like giving reference from your other document, or particularly saying that this is something is available in my other book. Fine. Now from here you can from store you can add some more applications which are compatible with Microsoft Word, and as soon as you'll add them, they will appear here in my apps and you can use them. We'll learn them about shortly. Online video, again, it is an online thing, and you can insert a link or an online video in your document. I'll let you know how to do that and how to transfer your document from one point to other without disturbing your formatting. Now what is hyperlink? Hyperlink is something which someone can refer. Hyperlink is something when you want to link something to some of your document. Now supposing I want that in case if someone click on this 1846, it should open some of the other document from my computer. So what I'll do is I'll select 1846 and then I'll select on hyperlink. And suppose I want something from my desktop, and supposing that I'll click here HP desktop computer and say OK. Now my hyperlink or my link is linked with 1846. Now whenever I want to click that link, I'll press Ctrl and then click on that link, and as soon as I click on that link, it will open a document or a page or a picture that I have linked with that particular hyperlink. Now, as I have inserted a hyperlink and I have linked that one to one of the picture I have saved on my desktop, it has opened that picture.